ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence powered conversational tool. It is a computer program that can have a conversation with people. ChatGPT is trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This dataset includes books, articles, code, and other forms of text. ChatGPT learns to recognize patterns in this text and to use these patterns to generate new text. It can answer questions, generate text, and translate any language. For example, if you ask ChatGPT, "What is the capital of France?" it will generate response based on the prompt. For example, ChatGPT replied, "The capital of France is Paris." ChatGPT can also generate text on its own. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to write a poem about love, it can generate a poem about love that is both creative and original. ChatGPT is the most popular AI-powered conversational tool right now. If you look at the statistics, you will understand this notion. Currently, ChatGPT is used by over 1.16 billion people worldwide. ChatGPT is the fastest growing app in the history, reaching 100 million users in just 2 months. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is valued at $29 billion currently. ChatGPT is used for a variety of purposes, including writing, translation, and customer service. The USA has the most ChatGPT users, followed by India and China. The average ChatGPT user spends about 30 minutes per day. ChatGPT has many use cases. I will discuss about this in the later section.